Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install C on Windows 11 PC. C is the most popular and very oldest programming language of the world. C is a mother language of the all programming languages. So that's why I show you how to install C programming language on Windows 11 PC and how to run very fast C program Hello World. So at first I will show you how to install C and then I will show you how to check is it installed or not. Then I will show you how to run very fast C program Hello World. So at first I open my browser, then I search MinZW. This software minimalist GNU installer that will help us to install C program on Windows 11 PC. So at first I open first link, then I will click on download button. Download is completed. I minimize my browser and I double click on minzwget-setup.exe. Then I click on install button. Then I click on continue button and it will download few files for this setup. So first of all, I will select minzw32 base. That's on. It is a base of minzw installation. So I right click on it and mark for installation. And then I click on this one minzw32 GCC G++, which is help us to run C program on Windows 11 PC. So I right click on it and select mark for installation. Then I click on installation and click on apply changes. And then I click on apply. It will take few time to download all the packages from online and then it will start installation. So I will fast forward this video. After that, go to C drive and then open minzw folder and then click on bin folder and then click on address bar and copy this. After that, right click on this PC and go to properties and then click on advanced system settings. Click on environment variables and find the path and click on new and paste this address, which is C minzw win, and then click on OK, and click on OK. After that, close this and close this also, and then right click on desktop's blank space and go to open in terminal. To check C installed correctly, just type on this PowerShell gcc-v. After that, you see that this is the gcc, which is C compiler, and it show all the details of gcc version, path, and etc. etc. So now I close this and I open VS Code. Here I will write my first C program and run on VS Code. So I click on folder and select desktop. Then I right click on blank space and select new file, and I put my file name main.c and hit enter, and I write my first C program, and then I save this code, and I right click on blank space of VS Code and then click on run code. Yes, this is code is running. So that was my video where I was showing you how to install C on Windows 11 PC and how to check the installation is correct or not. And then I show the very first C program, Hello World. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.